First, you have to know from where to download all needed drivers to fix almost any issue with any component. Open your favorite browser and type driverfixissues.com. Then select your laptop model from main page. Now, you know two very important things. 1. From where to download all drivers for your laptop. 2. You have download link in video description. This is my downloads folder. Now, select downloaded driver. Keep right mouse click on it for 2 seconds and release him. Now select 7-zip and extract with the driver name. Enter a newly created folder and look for install or for setup. Run it as administrator to avoid problems. This is optional. Stop. We strongly recommend to back up your drivers first. You have a link in description with how to use it. Now you know from where and how to download and install driver for wireless internet. And by installing new updated driver means that you have fixed almost all issues. So, now you know how to fix wireless problems. That is what you can do if one of your laptop components is not working, or you are not satisfied about performance and stability. Remember, if you know how to update or install wireless driver, you can do the same for any laptop part. Examples: for camera webcam, for card reader, for sound, for touchpad or for better video gaming.